Some of my artwork. This is the one I paint with tuning forks. It's called Tune In. This one, they're all black lights, so that you can see them all in black light. It's really cool. This is Yin Yang Frequency. Then I got this one. It's got a lot. It's got light language and everything. There's the sun, all that. And this one's called CBD Sun Diamond. My son named it that. This one's called the Rainbow Galaxy. You can see lots of rainbows. This little dude right here, though, I'm like really interested what the heck that is. And then we got my last one, my ship. It's called Lightship 777. They all glow in black light. I'm trying to get an exhibit right now, and then I have little mini ones, but I don't have them here today. But I have one of these. They're sound paintings, and I made the thing at the top, and they ring, so it's pretty cool.